Review Hub. Smart Home Platform, Tuya. Model number, PPD, W03. Power supply, built-in rechargeable battery. Protection level, IP67. Handle direction, direction reversible. Suitable for Mortise, 6068. Fit door thickness, 35 to 100 millimeters. Doorknob Funcition, Biometric, key and keypad. Connectivity, Wi-Fi. Ways to unlock: card, fingerprint, mechanical keys, password, app, face recognition, Wi-Fi. Suitable door type: wooden door, steel door, brass door, stainless Stell door, other. Included components: front panel *1, rear panel *1, built-in lithium battery *1, hardware accesso. Special features: built-in doorbell, built-in camera, Bulit-in peephole, Bulit-in screen, two-way audio, built-in gateway. Finish type, other. Certification, CE, FCC. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Origin, mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.